I too am delighted, Minister. I wish you well on your portfolio. I'm astounded as well that Minister Harris couldn't wait. Is he gone out to look into the black hole that is the children's hospital side? Some legacy he has to that. I mean, this is totally insulting to TDs of smaller party groups who have waited in the queue, and the Minister doesn't even think we're worthwhile listening to. But that's his raison d'etre, as it has been. Two issues I'm going to talk about, Minister. I'm going to talk about three issues. One is about the South, university status for the South East, which is badly needed, with a poor relation according to that. And then the late Donogh O'Malley, who was a party colleague of your dad and others, and had great visionary and inspiration for free education. My God, look at it now. Look at the stresses. Students now, university, and I have here the Minister saying to me, when I have hundreds of students and their parents onto me about having paid anything between €4,000 and €9,000 for college accommodation and can't get it back. So you have a majority. You have a majority of the Business Committee too, as the Count Coleman will know. Bring in legislation, you'll find nobody oppose it. OK, let them take 30% of the fees, or 40%, maybe at most. Give back the 60% of these hard-pressed families. We're in a pandemic, you tell us. You brought in the legislation to close down everything. Why are these hard-working families being victimised and being perished and thrown to the wolves? I want to support the staff in Susie, because they have a very good hard job to do, and they do their best, and I have a very good working relationship with them. My office is very busy. Geraldine in my office is on them on a daily basis. And as I said, the student nurses, the betrayal of that cohort of people who left their students, or left their student accommodation, left their colleges, and came back into their homes and worked and put themselves on the front line, and to be told they'd be paid, and to have you standing up here then clapping them, and standing in different places clapping him, and you refuse to pay him. It's an abject, disgraceful behaviour, and renegade, really a reversal of your promises. But your promises are meant to be broken, you'd probably tell us, but they need to be paid. They're in there on the front line working hard, harder than many people in that huge monstrosity of a HSE. They're on the front line, and they were willing to be there, and you know what I mean, they're being cut in, they're losing the part-time work that they had in as well. They're not available to do that, so they have been badly mistreated as well. So, Minister, I'm asking you you have, I think, children yourself, and we'll be heading that direction shortly enough. I have one myself this year, and the same way, it's a very trying time. Some have only one lecture. Other person wanted to travel. They were told they only had 5 or 6 hours tuition, and they were spread over 5 days, so they had to travel 5 days. The universities and the colleges need to get their act together as well, and not to have students in college for maybe 10 hours and have them over 5 days. It's unfair on the families, and it's unfair on the students as well. So there's a lot of things need sorting out in the third level sector, and Minister, I wish you well with it.
Thank you very much.